Welcome to your energizing yoga practice. Let's begin at the top of the mat, hands at heart center. On an inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. And as you exhale, plant your palms, walk or jump back through chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, another push-up and back to downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg high. Tap that knee to the right elbow. Inhale it up. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, reach high. And exhale, knee to left elbow. Inhale, reach it high. And plant that foot between your palms. Rise up for crescent lunge. Hands to heart center. We'll take a twist. Left elbow to the outside of that right knee. Pause for a breath. On your inhale, plant your palms. Step the right foot back and left hand is your foundation as the right hand reaches to the sky. Lower down through chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. With another push-up, back to downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg to the sky. Exhale, knee to left elbow. Inhale it high. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, reach high. And exhale, knee to right elbow. Inhale, reach that leg high. And exhale, plant the foot between your palms and rise up for crescent lunge. Hands come to heart center. Take a twist, right elbow to the outside of the left knee. Pause for a breath. And as you exhale, lower the palms to the mat. Step back into side plank. Right hand is your foundation. Left arm to the sky. On your exhale, both hands to the earth and lower through chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Open your heart with another push-up. Press back, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg to the sky. And as you exhale, step that foot between your hands. Right arm to the sky for a twist. And lower that palm to the earth. Straighten through the right leg. Fold forward for pyramid. Lengthen through your spine. And open up for warrior two. Right knee over the right ankle. Extend your side angle. And exhale, reverse. We'll flow through that again. Extended side angle. And reverse. Nothing changes in the legs, just moving the upper body. Inhale, extend, and exhale, reverse. This time, both hands lower to the earth. Step back and flow through your chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale with a push-up, back to downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg to the sky. Exhale. Place the foot forward, coming into our twist, left arm to the sky. As you exhale, left hand to the earth, straighten through the left leg, fold forward for modified pyramid pose. Inhale, lengthen, and as you exhale, open up into your warrior two, and let's flow again. Extended side angle, and reverse. Staying with your breath, extended side angle. Exhale to reverse. One more round. Inhale, creating strength. Exhale, creating stamina. As you exhale, lower both hands to the earth. Step back, floating through chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale with a push-up or not. Back to downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Inhale your right leg to the sky. As you exhale, step the foot forward, straighten through the right leg and open up for a triangle pose. Let your gaze follow that left hand, little to no weight in the right hand. Lower both hands to the earth. And this time coming into standing splits. Right leg is your foundation. Tap that left knee to the back of the right knee and then re-extend it to the sky. Tap it again, bending the right knee. Inhale to re-extend. One more time, tapping. And this time hold it there. Bring your hands to heart center. And from here, extend into warrior three. Pause, and then lower the hands, step back, right leg to the sky. As you exhale, lower through chaturanga, keeping the right leg lifted. As you exhale, another push-up and back to downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg to the sky. As you exhale, plant that foot. Straighten through the left leg. Let's open up into our triangle pose. Let your gaze follow that top hand. As you exhale, lower both hands to the earth. And from here, fold forward. Bend the front knee. Standing splits, right leg to the sky. On your exhale, tap the right knee behind the left and then re-extend it to the sky. Tap and extend. Tap and extend. Tap and hold this time. Bring your hands to heart center. Pause here, engage your core. And let's lengthen out for our warrior three pose. Place your hands on the earth, extend the left leg to the sky. Keep it lifted as you float through your chaturanga. Inhale and exhale with a push-up back to downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in and gaze forward as you breathe out. Inhale, halfway lift and fold forward as you breathe out. Inhale, arms reach overhead, get long, let your gaze follow those palms. Exhale, hands come to heart center. Inhale, re-extend, arms overhead. Float forward on your exhale. Inhale, lots of length through your spine. Walk or jump back through another chaturanga. Inhale, open your heart. And exhale, this time, come onto your knees. And we'll move into a camel pose by placing the palms on the low back, fingers facing upward, heart opening to the sky. If you're feeling the connection today, you can reach back with those hands, placing them on the heels, and realign the hips over the knees. On an inhale, rise back up. Walk yourself forward into a plank pose, core engaged, elbows in. Take another chaturanga. On your exhale, press back into downward facing dog. Take a cleansing breath in through the nose. Open your mouth and exhale, let it go. Drop down to your knees. Spread the knees wide to the edges of your mat. Extend your arms out in front of you and release into a child's pose. Just feel that your heart is dipping down towards the mat, receiving the energy of the earth as it flows up into your heart center. On each exhale, release. On each inhale, receive. On your next breath in, go ahead and walk yourself up. And let's come into a staff pose by extending the legs straight out in front of us. As you inhale, reach the arms beside the ears. With a long spine, we'll hinge forward into a seated forward fold, clasping wherever is accessible, whether that's your knees, your shins, or your ankles. Just allow the tension to drip out of your spine. Settling in here for one more full deep breath. On your next breath in, rise up. Place the hands behind you, bend the knees, and we'll inhale into a tabletop position. If there's no tension in your neck, you can lift the chin up to the sky, just releasing any tension in the neck. Broaden through your shoulders. And as you exhale, lower the hips back down to the mat, and we'll come into a seated posture. On your inhale, reach the arms overhead, gathering all the energy of your practice, pulling that into your heart center. As you move through the rest of your day, notice the peace and the energy of your practice flowing with you. May love and light be yours. Namaste.